This is an additional video showing repairs to the inner wings. I noticed that the inner wings had rusted badly in this area on both sides. This is one obviously I haven't done, but you can see what I was facing here. And what's happened is basically rusty parts have just been covered over with a new piece of metal and welded in. So basically he's hiding rust by sticking more metal over it. So I've cut out the rusty metal, fabricated a new piece of steel to go in. Obviously I had to take this bracket off first. This bracket's used for holding the windscreen wiper motor. Take the bracket off, which is spot welded on, replace the steel, and then put the bracket back in, and then it'll all be dressed up and painted in. So that should be good. And also the front extension of the wing, I've replaced, there's a lot of rust there. I've replaced this side, so once it's finished up, it should look fine. If we look at the other side, which is actually good, that's what it'll look like when it's done, and that's original. So I want both sides to look the same and be original. If we look on this side here, you can see the repairs. Again, it's been plug welded, which is equivalent of spot welding. And if we look inside the wheel arch here, okay, it just needs a bit of tidying up to do yet, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was, and should last for many years if properly treated.